Hello fellows, welcome to my channel. This channel is created for educational purposes only, dedicated to people who want to learn how to trade. Either you want to trade stocks, crypto, commodities or Forex. You will find high quality educational material. Either you are a beginner, advanced or an intermediate trader. For viewers that want to see more action and how we apply the theory in real trades, you can visit our live channel. Here we are trading our live account and applying the theory, proving that it can be done while all trading profits go to our subs. However, as a beginner, I do not recommend starting with any real money. Trading is very risky and challenging. However, a risk comes always with a reward. You will find 50 videos to understand the theory, 12 sections. Each section is a playlist consisting of several videos. I do not recommend skipping chapters and trying to take classes from the beginning. We are using verified sources to provide the most accurate information. Remember, this is an educational channel and you will always trade with demos to avoid the risk. Make profits in the market is not the easy passive income you have in mind. The entire material is the same as you will find in most trading courses. The material is totally free and you don't have to pay any guru to learn generic information or waste thousands of dollars. So if you want to support us, subscribe, like and leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. And you can post your progress in our Facebook page. Thank you very much and trade safe. In today's episode, we will see sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is one of the three analyses we use before entering a trade. You will find in the description the technical and the fundamental in separate episodes. Some random lines in the chart won't help you to make profits from the market. The main goal of sentiment analysis in trading is to identify the overall sentiment of investors and traders towards specific assets, companies, or the market as a whole. In simple words, what other traders believe. The sentiment can be positive, negative, or neutral and can have a significant impact on market movements. You will find sentiment analysis each month in our live channel in major pairs in the community section. By analyzing sentiment, we can gain insight into the market sentiment, which can be used to inform and shape our trading decisions and strategies. In simple words, in sentiment analysis, we try to see what traders believe and how a specific asset will behave in the market. As you can understand, this is not an easy task. We don't know exactly how many people will buy or sell, and we don't know exactly how many open positions we have. We can find a form of sentiment analysis from our broker. For example, in this Euro USD pair, the sentiment for the specific pair is being expressed as a percentage. The higher the percentage, the most likely the asset to move in that direction. In theory, we have proven several times in our series and in our live trades how we went against the sentiment, even when the percentage was higher than 90%. Traders can use the aggregated sentiment scores as one of the factors in their decision-making process. For example, if the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive for a stock, it might indicate a potential uptrend, while a negative sentiment could imply a potential downturn. It's important to know that sentiment analysis is just one tool among many that we use to make informed decisions. While sentiment can provide valuable insights, it should not be the sole basis for making trading decisions, as market dynamics are complex and influenced by multiple factors. In this episode, we will demonstrate the best and the most statistically reliable way to do that. We can also find sentiment analysis into some popular sites like MyFXBook, Forex Factory, and several others. In the end, every trader will always have an opinion about the market. Let's see how to find reliable and useful information to use your sentiment analysis. The COT report is what you need, an essential tool used by traders and investors to gain insight into the markets. The COT report, short for Commitments of Traders Report, is a weekly publication released by the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC. You will find the link in the pinned comment for the CFTC report. It provides valuable information on the positions held by various market participants in the market. These participants include commercial hedgers, the big boys, non-commercial traders, some large speculators, and non-reportable traders, some small speculators. The report offers a breakdown of long and short positions in different financial instruments, such as commodities, gold, oil, wheat, financial futures, for example, currency, stocks, indexes, and so on. By analyzing this data, you can get a glimpse of what sentiment and positioning of different market participants, which can help us make more informed trading decisions. The COT report is publicly available and it's been released every Friday at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time by the CFTC. There are several ways to access it and you will find the link in the pinned comment. The report provides positions that were reported until last Tuesday of the reporting week. The data are lagging, but you will see how to use them. You can use the historical data option to download for the entire year or the relevant year you want to see. Let's see how to use the COT report to gain a valuable insight. What we want to see in COT reports is what the big boys are doing. There is a huge misconception about that report and how to use it. Most people are taking into consideration what non-commercial do, as they are mostly fast-moving speculators. However, the commercials are the ones that know what they are doing. They are using positions to hedge and they are not interested in profits from speculation. A good rule is to follow them and try to see what they are doing. If they are increasing or decreasing their positions. In the Bitcoin series, we are using it in every episode and you will also find the link in the description. Divergence analysis in the change of the positions is another common tool. I do not recommend to use for beginners as it will make you more undeciding in executing your trade. And also not before you are getting familiar with the idea. Divergence occurs when the positions of large speculators diverge from the positions of commercial hedgers. Such divergence can signal potential turning points in the market. For instance, if a large speculator are excessively bullish while commercial hedgers are becoming more bearish, it might indicate an overbought market. One of the best practice of the COT report is to use it to confirm existing trends in the market. For example, if a commodity is in a strong uptrend, you would expect to see large speculators increasing their long positions. However, it is essential to remember that the COT report is just one tool among many in your trading toolbox. Market dynamics can be complex and using the COT report should be complemented by other technical and fundamental analysis techniques to make well-rounding trading decisions. I suggest to go to our live channel and check how we use sentiment in every episode in our Bitcoin series. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, has become a popular technique in various fields due to its ability to extract and analyze opinion and emotions from textual data. Sentiment analysis has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's explore some of the pros and the cons. Pros: automated insights. Sentiment analysis allows large volumes of textual data to be processed quickly and automatically, providing valuable insight into the overall sentiment of a particular entity. Real-time monitoring. With sentiment analysis, we can monitor public opinions and reactions in real time, helping us to respond promptly to emerging trends, issues, or crises. Better decisions. Sentiment analysis can provide valuable information about market sentiment and trends, helping us to make better trading decisions. Additional market insight. Sentiment analysis provides an additional layer of market insight beyond traditional technical and fundamental analysis. Understanding the sentiment of other market participants can give you an edge in anticipating potential market movements. Identifying market turning points. Sentiment analysis can help identify market sentiment extremes, which may indicate potential market turning points. Extreme bullishness or bearishness among traders can signal overbought or oversold conditions. Confirmation of trends. When sentiment aligns with the prevailing trend, it can provide confirmation of the market direction. If the sentiment is positive during an uptrend, it can suggest the trend is strong. Cons: subjectivity and noise. Sentiment analysis can be subjective and prone to noise. Traders may interpret sentiment differently, leading to varied trading decisions. Several false signals. Sentiment can be influenced by noise and short-term factors, leading to false signals. Relying solely to sentiment analysis may result in inaccurate trading decisions. Lagging indicator. Sentiment analysis is often considered a lagging indicator because it reflects past sentiment rather than predicting future price movements. By the time the sentiment is analyzed and acted upon, the market may have already moved. Limited scope. Sentiment analysis is generally more effective in markets with active and diverse participation, such as equities and major currencies. It may be less reliable in smaller markets. In this episode, we show the CFTC report, but there is a way to apply it in your stock portfolio also. Sentiment versus fundamentals. Sentiment analysis should not replace fundamental analysis, as market sentiment can sometimes deviate from the underlying fundamentals. Data reliability. The reliability of sentiment data sources can vary, and inaccurate or biased sentiment data can lead to flawed trading decisions. There is no way to know exactly what is happening to the market and what will happen in the future. In our live channel, in our Bitcoin series, we are trading a live account and we use Bitcoin sentiment every week. We also use the COT report. You can find another link in the pinned comment to have an idea on how it's done. Thank you for watching. Go back, repeat the chapters you are not sure, and you will find your name in the Arintra supporters. Help us to launch it. You will find more info in the pinned comment. Trade safe. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope you enjoy. You know that we need your subscriptions, likes, and comments for the YouTube algorithm. Help us to make more content and trade safe.